open a remove.bg and select your photo, which should be in your profile photo image. After that, this website will automatically remove background. Now click on download and this image will be downloaded in your device. Now click on link which will be provided in this video. After that, you will redirect it to Alight Motion app. In this section, you can select or upload your image. A third option of this layout. After that, just click on text and change the text. To remove the watermark, which is top of this image, I would like to share you some tips. For that, open PicsArt and follow the steps.